Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeri bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeri bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeri bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeri bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengoro James Barari Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali loan cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school urendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri ngo mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full inda abana baito January intake nagendereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi ni gutrasa kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Wabasomi ya mwancho muri ya Getembe TV chitaika cha utokiri isato igre Chinsa Isano na Ibere cha bono mubaso ritgerigare Juma chitaki 19 mwako yiga bwechiri bubere 2025 nabo yiga umutinyo yiga bo mwairo bo mwako yiga echara igre Chinsa Isano na Ibere chinga kibono to ikrase mesa Ekeonga tokumanya maya korwa imene isko yorogongoro gusi anena monobuna abereka wateka kurense miri ya siasa nsemo yitsemi nsemo yobachinu nabo yiga Chinsemo chonse bunato ikira SMS Ekeonga nche buna botambe kerebanyi borete narugete Caterine nabo yiga tato minto ga koroko Nyaboga yiga na terimo chando bwensi kero konuka Caterine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kurasa umuntu wabo imanyiriro Mike Wis Chris dia kabiri naira koneke buna chibichechi nabo yiga Mario yingo ikira kira senchira yobukirano kabana intugoika omwero na togo chaka asentunda ya kabiri muraibensi ya Kenya Dr. William Samuel Ruto omukonyo e Professor Pram Kithure Kindiki mugavana bwe county ya Nairobi Omoske Johnson Sakaja na baraibande nigo baigete ensemo ya mukuru ime county yo ya Nairobi anomono kuigora chinyomba cha maguransi okwana ekera baigorete chinyomba echo cha maguransi Moske Ruto niga tebete niga bantu chiribunye na 500 bari ababere bakomenya ase obomenyo obobe barachake guchinchia obogima bwabo nabo igo nigo baswete asayo igoro maragoba nenchire yamo yoko baroroberia obogima.
Leo tumefika hapa tena kutengeneza historia ya taifa letu la Kenya. Leo wananchi Mkenya ambao wamekuwa wakiishi sehemu mbalimbali, watu 4,500 wanabadilisha makao siku ya leo. Haya manyumba yote haya mnayaona hapa, tuko na blocks hizi ambazo ziko tayari ni blocks 23, 23 blocks hizi ziko hapa. Wananchi wanahamia siku ya leo kwa sababu tulikubaliana ya kwamba wale wa Kenya wanaishi mahali hakuna maji, hakuna stima, hakuna mahali ya kwenda choo. Leo wanahamia makao haya because this is a commitment we made and this is a promise we made to the people of Kenya, and we are keeping that promise continuously as we do it this evening. Mkuru, mnanielewa jameni? Mnanielewa? Mimi nataka niwapongeze. Let me say congratulations kwa wale wote ambao umepata nafasi ya kuja kuishi hapa. Mimi nawaambia pongezi, congratulations. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie kila mmoja wenu, unajua kuna watu hama
Asenkwana yaye murayo yo gatano bwensi ya Kenya nigago kirete gitambuke ekyo asa airete buna iyo ni nchire yamu yogo chincha insi ya Kenya. Maskeruto nigo atebete umurubiri uyu nigo abasai nigo o abasai bwensi ya Kenya mirimo nabo yigo kwerera buna chibesa chigotumika asobwagachi wechinyombe chiyo cha magari anze tari kabeso gositari besa basabire kurwase Chinsa chesko korende ne chibesa kurwase kigancha gensi ya Kenya.
Kuna watu wengine walikuwa wanaota ndoto, walikuwa wanafikiri sisi mzaa tunasema, walikuwa wanafikiri ni karata ya pata potea. But today we are demonstrating house by house, Kenyan by Kenyan, estate by estate, county by county, that we are going to change this country in our lifetime. Mnanielewa marafiki zangu? Mnanielewa? Na ndio mimi nasimama hapa mbele yenu leo as a proud leader of Kenya. Na haya manyumba yote haya ya orofa, nimeketi pale nikauliza vijana, hakuna mtu ametoka Ulaya ama China kuja kutujengea hizi manyumba. Hii manyumba na gorofa hii mnaona, wale plumbers ni vijana wa Kenya, electricians ni vijana wa Kenya, engineers ni vijana wa Kenya, architects ni vijana wa Kenya, wale masons ni vijana wa Kenya, carpenters ni vijana wa Kenya. Tuwapigie makofi vijana wetu jameni. They are transforming our nation. Tunaelewana ama tuelewani? So we are using our own resources. Na mimi nataka niwaeleze ndugu zangu, hii pesa tumetumia hapa sio pesa tumekopa kutoka nje. Hii pesa tumetumia hapa ni pesa zetu za wa Kenya. We are building our nation using our resources, using our talent, using our energy, using our expertise, and transforming our nation. That is what we mean by transformation. And I am very clear in my mind that we are going to change Kenya this way. Mimi nataka mjiulize, Mkuru hoye. Hii kazi inaendelea, manyumba haya sio Mkuru peke yake inajengwa. Tunajenga hizi manyumba kila sehemu ya Kenya, kila county ya Kenya. Ukienda kwa kila mji mkubwa Kenya, kutoka Kisumu, kwenda Migori, kwenda Siaya, Kakamega, Bungoma, Kisii, kule Eldoret, Nakuru, sila sehemu mpaka Funyula, kwenda Mombasa, kwenda Kitui, kwenda Makueni, kwenda Machakos. Hizi manyumba tunajenga kila sehemu ya Kenya bila ya ubaguzi na bila ya kujali ni nani anaishi wapi. That is how we transform a nation called Kenya.
Togoika asensemeria yetsemi muraibwense okane omukuru muske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta naboigo omunyakirogo bwikia makiregia kanu omuske Dr. Gideon Moi ojuboigo romo Vice Chancellor ase University ya Kabarak mambiri tukira rero nigo baikirana ase omoyega we 21 wokobekera aboriki wabe University ya Kabarak chuguto ase nkwana yaya omoske uhuru nigaro boseme goti ase aboriki wabo nabo igo kwabura batuare chimbwa chinkia anemono wakira baso krisko nabo igo bagochigosoa echiro ase okoligia amabaga yemiremo ninkwana yaegwa okoboko no mo Vice Chancellor wa University yo omoske Gideon Moy.
To you, my young friends, the graduates of 2025, you are stepping into a globalized world. The foreign languages program, international conferences and symposia that you have participated in gives you a competitive edge. I ask you to carry the name of Kenya and Kabarak University proudly wherever you go. Excellence must be your daily habit. The discipline of integrity, consistency, and service. Let this be your hallmark as ambassadors of this institution. Your skills are not just for personal advancement, they are for nation building. The programs that you have pursued here, from STEM to law, from education to business, are directly aligned with these national priorities. As you step out, remember that you are the builders of Kenya's today, not just tomorrow. Graduates, today you step into a world full of possibilities. The degrees you hold are not just credentials, they are tools to build a better Kenya and a better world. True leadership is measured by service. True success by the lives that you will uplift, and true greatness by the integrity with which you shall live. Carry with you the values of faith, excellence, and service. Let your light shine across in different boardrooms, in different government offices, in different international organizations, in the private sector. Let them.
Our esteemed graduates, your graduation today has not come easily. You have spent countless hours of rigorous study. Your graduation today has come at a great financial cost to your parents, guardians, and sponsors, who are key players in our university support system. For these reasons, I congratulate and welcome you to play your role as productive individuals, well prepared to contribute to the growth and prosperity of our country and global economy.
Bless you all. God bless Kabarak University. God bless the people and country of Kenya that we love. Asanteni sana.
Nsemo yende Moske Kenyatta ni gago kera Uburaibu University ya Kabarak ase akwanera chikosi chirasi University yo nabo igo echinde chinyinge chirachakyuga anamono mutinyo mutanga ni omwako gocha na nigo airabuna nigo chire chinge chane namono chinga kiechiga nse ya Kenya yachakire koira emeri ase omurobiri wetsemi OCBet.
Vice Chancellor, let me take this opportunity to also congratulate you, the Council, the various faculties, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, on the exemplary work taking place here. Such strides reflect the university's commitment to excellence, and I must commend the leadership for your vision. I celebrate the new programs to be rolled out in January 2026. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, they are indeed the future. The Bachelor of Science in Medical Laboratory Sciences, the Master of Science in Data Science, Master of Pharmacy in Pharmaceutical Manufacturing, the Master of Science in Chemistry are market-driven programs that will give your students a competitive edge globally. I am also informed that through a British funded project, the Dean of the School of Law, Professor John Osogo, is undertaking a fellowship at Cardiff University in the UK. I understand that this fellowship, he will be working with legal experts to develop the Master of Laws in Judicial Science, a program that will position Kabarak University as a continental leader in judicial education in 2026. I also commend your bold step in aligning curricula with a competency-based education system. This is forward-looking and will ensure our students receive quality education under the new curriculum. When I look at you all today, I see hope. The hope I felt also as a young man stepping into the unknown. That hope, combined with courage, is what builds nations. You are entering a world where borders are less important than ideas. Keep in mind that Kenya is already recognized for leadership in ICT, fintech, renewable energy. With your skills, you can position Kenya as a hub of innovation, not just in Africa, but globally. As I conclude, allow me to pay tribute to the most important people here, our parents and guardians, who have sacrificed so much to see their children succeed. Your dedication is the foundation of today's celebration. To the entire faculty and staff, thank you for your commitment to excellence. You have shaped these graduates into men and women ready to serve.
Twagendrete kurigereria ensemo eyo yekisemi omwaziri w'ekisemi omusikejiri rasmi gosiogamba nigaruro koboria anene mono gochiase chi university kurigereria chikosi naboigo amegirio bakoine na gochiase aborokiwa na ose aborokiwayo na kwene kibuna amegirio ngogenda nare nechiro imeyensi ya Kenya chinga kechiga ukona kurwa university ya Kaimosi nigo aorogeti obuba bwaye buna onye egati chi university nchigo chia kurigereria masomo nigo egati aborokiwa bataikiranie aliaganire ase chiro yaboniga.
We have reached a stage where universities are just rolling out programs and giving students qualifications, but there are no demand for those qualifications in the industry or in the market. I think when we were in Mombasa the other time, we agreed that we need to link our programs to industry. A good example is in the education programs. I think out of the students that we admit to universities, I think 40% or almost thereabout take up education as a field of study. But the market only requires 35,000 teachers every year. So if we are producing 100,000 teachers every year, last year the university admitted 246,000 students. If 40% took education, that means 100,000. But the market requires only 35. You said you are statisticians. So we have 65,000 every year. Accumulatively, now we have teachers that we cannot be able to mop up. We've already employed about 100,000 teachers, but still more are out there. So you need to tweak our programs for the areas in agriculture, for example, where we have less, so that we can have that balance.
The University Council plays a pivotal role in guiding the university's strategic priorities, providing good governance, fostering an environment that is conducive to learning, research, and community engagement.
Inkwani yo mosike migosi nerego chigotwekera mwere bwa Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asinchira yo bwengo mwero korende chikoraga 10 tuire nega iga tokoretera yo muna yenda asinchira yo bwenge bwigo genda gutwara burigiri burubya asimbiro buri ya Getembe TV ekobwate nchengero kwa Caterine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kora somo na wimanyiriro my course cross studio kabere nerora gotokonya kwene kyabona chibichie chiga nabo iga mario gingo ikira chira asinchira ere yo wikrano bye bye tumirane igetige koraga Chinsa iko.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igeko kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeli bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeli bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengoro James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga ase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi abana ngwakano bari kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bari chiloni cyo gosoma wetera help high education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school golendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bari chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Kilivu Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri ngo mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bakaso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migwetrasa chilamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068